I am currently recording. Alright, guys. So today, as you can tell, whatever the frick, I'm in Teardown. And that's quite uncommon on this channel. But the reason I'm in Teardown, I got a bunch of dinosaur AI thingies. And yep, I'm going to be fighting them. We're going to start off with the classic T-Rex. You done? Alright, let's run like frick. Oh crap, wait, run! I can't get a shot in, Shoot it! Alright, I got a shot in. Did it already fall over? It already fell over into the water. You're stupid! I'm gonna throw some pipers to get rid of that rock so I can see it. What? Oh. What did that come from? Alright, so that did literally nothing to the rock. So I'm just gonna pick him up out there. Hello, T-Rex, can I pick you up? Alright, so this one is stupid, and for some reason it ran into the water. Now it's time to run, like heck. Oh god, it's already getting up, hold on. Oh crap. It's getting up, oh crap! Are you not gonna, like, come after me? Come after me! Alright, so that one's AI sucks. So we're gonna throw it out of this universe. Also, no offense to the creator. You did a good job, but the AI is just freaking screwing up. You know what? No, actually, I know a better way to send it off. Hold on. There is a bug on my freaking monitor, or like not a. Well, it's a gnat. I don't know if you. You know, I'm just gonna restart the freaking map. I don't care. I'm gonna grab a different T-Rex to see if it like is better and does not walk into the water and fall over and die. Oh, by the way, if you hear me crunching and munching, it's because I'm eating some spicy sweet chili Doritos. They're pretty good. Alright, hold on. Let me find a better T-Rex to spawn. Alright, Jurassic Park 3 T-Rex. Bull. Alright, we're spawning. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Let's get out the hunting rifle. And boom. Okay, this one's actually coming after me, which is pretty good. And I should probably run like freaking. Why did it put away my hunting rifle? Ah! Go away, beast! Back, beast, back! Back, beast! Back! Back, beast! Die! I'm going to the house. The house is safe. Die, son of a frick! Open the door! Frick. I'm going out the back door. Run! finds a way through the house, then I can just escape through the boat. Did it give up? Oh my gosh, I think I made it give up. Let's go. Easy dubs. Easy dubs, I just made it give up. Where did you go? Exactly. Oh, there it is. Hey, pal. You wanna get shot? Not even taking notice of that. And I just killed it. Big fat W's. Wait, is it not? It's not dead! It's not dead! Wait, actually, what am I screaming about? This thing don't even know. Wait, is it dead yet? No, it's about to be dead. Oh, by the way, I can only use pipe bombs if it's absolutely necessary and I keep dying and I can't kill it. Alright, that's the only time I can use bombs. Other than that, the only weapon I can use is a hunting rifle. Or like, pretty much anything in the gun section. Shotgun, gun, or hunting rifle. You know, actually, now I'm going to use the shotgun because I'm close range. The shotgun is close range. I'm just going to make sure that it is completely dead. Oh, by the way, I love the gore of this thing. The gore is amazing. Ah! Oh, okay. If I can shoot off its jaw, I'll shoot it. How is this thing still freaking alive? Hey, buddy, I just shot off your face. How are you still alive? You know, we'll count that as a win. Alright, let's restart the map and get ready for the next dinosaur. That one was honestly pretty easy. Also, I'm going to try not to use the jetpack because I think that would be kind of cheating. Dude, I freaking clicked on that. What you talking about, Teardown? What are you doing? AI pack, alright. We don't really care about the vehicles for now. We got Brachiosaurus, Spinosaurus, and Velociraptor. Hold on. Actually, I'm going to see what else I have. I have Blue, which is pretty much another Velociraptor. Dilophosaurus, Erlikosaurus. What even is... Oh, so it's like... Why is this Therizinosaurus looking thing roaring like a T-Rex, bro? Alright, there's the T-Rex that sucks. There's the... Wait, Pyroraptor. Maybe later. Scorpius Rex. Oh gosh. Indominus Rex. Alright. I think Grand Pterodon. Wait. Humans. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm bored, so I'm just gonna... Hello, sir. How's your day going? Yeah, how's your day going? How is he not dead? How is this man not dead? You know what? Get out of here! I just flung my mans out the universe. Alright, so now for the DLC content. wait a minute. I think we gonna go Spinosaurus. Get out. Go. Get the frick out of here. I'm pretty sure this dude's faster than the other ones. Yeah. Oh, never mind, bro. That thing's going 2 miles an hour. 2 miles an hour. No, I'm joking. Oh, actually, yeah, he's going fast. Ah! Get to the house! Why won't you go faster? I'm sprinting right now. You guys don't understand this. I'm sprinting right now, and this dude is going like 2 miles an hour. Open the door. Get in. Let me shut the door! Let me shut the door! Let me out! Let me out! Okay, hopefully it's gonna be like the bull and it's not. I still hear it moving. And I can still feel its footsteps. Oh, frick! Is it getting in there? Ah! Let me in the boat! Let me in the boat! Ah! Go backwards! Why is it so fast in the water? Alright, I need to cool off. Alright, so I'm gonna gain some distance and then I'm gonna start shooting him. Dude, this, what you mean it's going 0 miles an hour? What you mean? If this thing was going 0, kilometers an hour. Excuse me, it's freaking kilometers an hour. Because this game, I don't know. Us Americans are weird, and we. Is it already dead? Did that literally? Is that all to kill? No, you don't deserve your long snout. I'm shooting that snout off. Okay, never mind, you're not dead. But you're about to be. Yep, now it's dead. Yeah, there we go. Take that, son of a frick. Alright, now time to restart it and get ready for the next dinosaur. Alright, time to see what dinosaur we have next. Hello, I pressed that button. You know, I'm gonna go back to the AI pack. What else we got in here? Velociraptor. This thing is tiny. You gonna kill me? Huh? Is you gonna do something? Ah! Ah! It's coming after me! Ah! Die! Oh, is it? Are you already freaking dead? You gotta be fish to me. Ain't no way it was that easy to kill you. Alright, now you're... How did that do 0 damage to your head? Excuse me? Is your head invincible? Hello? Can you just not die? Is that what this is? Time to test it out. Alright, it's just impossible to kill this one. Hold up, wait, actually, there's one more way. Bright screen! I didn't even shoot it yet. How are you alive? Alright, that one's invincible. Guess we're gonna have to skip that one. I clicked the button, pal. I don't know what this game is thinking. No, dude. Get the frick out of that! There. Yeah. Restart. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to mention this, but I got a better mouse pad like 2 days ago. My friend gave it to me. So, W friend for giving the mouse pad to me. You know what? The closest next thing that we have to a raptor is a pirate raptor. I mean, I can kind of see the resemblance. Alright, that one is... Are you also invincible? Can you just... Are you unkillable? Are you just... Alright, so it turns out all the smaller ones are unkillable. Wait, actually, I want this. Yep, they're just unkillable. Get out of here. I launched little bro out of this universe. I don't even know where it went Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, time for another dinosaur. I clicked it. I don't know what... Bro. Well, whatever. Who cares? Alright, looks like we're onto the Indominus road. Why did it just do a freaking Spinosaurus roar? Alright, anyways, I gotta get the frick out of here so I don't die. Hey, pal, I'm over here. Is it already freaking dead? Ain't no way you're dead already. You're not dead already. No, you're not. There's no freaking way, bro. That loser fell into the water, just like the other T-Rex. You gotta be fish to me. Alright, loser. We're free from the water. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. You're welcome. I don't know why I said that, but maybe I just felt like it. Deal with it. Alright, so before I slam into the ground and die, I'm going to... Yeah, start doing that before I die from the fall damage. Alright, let's open the door. The house is the strat, bro. The house is a W strat. The house and the boat are both W strats. And let's just get rid of that. Just in case we have to, get into the boat. Where did that stupid loser go? Where you at, huh? What an idiot. You like being shot? Well, then get the frick over here, you lazy What, you don't know how to walk past a tree? There, I'll get that stupid tree out the way. Hey, I'm over here! Come kill me, man. Just come over here and kill me. Kill me! Get over here and kill me, god dang it! There, you have no excuse to not get your stupid fat lazy butt over here and kill me. Now get over here! Yeah, that's what I thought. Why did the footsteps freaking stop? Where are the footsteps? Huh? Get over here, god dang it! Come over here. You moron. Come over here before I kill you. Alright, your jaw's already gone. You have no chance of killing me. Okay, yep, you suck. Go die in a freaking fire. Who cares? I'll just grab this. For God's sake, bro, get over here and murder me, god dang it. Get over here and murder me, god dang it. For God's sake. Come over here and Alright, these guys are freaking stupid. Alright. Ah, what the frick? You already know the drill. Wait, what did I just press? Why does my hammer look different? What did I just even press? You'd think I would have landed by now. Dang, did I just make myself small? Hold up. A laser! God dang. Let me use my sledgehammer. Hold up. You know, I'm just gonna press every button on my keyboard until I find the unshrink button. V, B, N, M, X, Z, C. Oh, okay, so if I press C on my keyboard, then I turn small. Alright. That's cool, I guess. What mod even was that? Hold up. I don't even know what mod that was. But whatever, who cares? Gear down. What is that? Sport. Oh, it's a vehicle mod. Santa. Wait a minute. This thing actually. Oh, this thing looks pretty cool. Of course, I had to spawn it right there. Why is it not turning? Alright, now it's gonna freaking turn. Turn faster! For God's sake. Am I doing a freaking wheel? Oh my God. Alright, get that thing out of here. It sucks. Go. Actually. Wait a minute. Dang, that thing split that tree clean in half, bro. Wait, where'd it go? Where the frick? Oh, there it is. Oh, nope, that's the wrong one. But I'm gonna see what it does to this house. Did that just put a freaking clean hole in the house? Oh my God, that put a clean freaking hole in it. Let's see what this thing does to. Let's see what this thing does to a tree. Okay, let's see what a tree does to a tree. Okay, it causes a tiny lag spike. Okay. Blue Tide. What is Blue Tide? Oh, it's a drink. What does the drink do? Why did it turn my screen blue? You know what? Just treat it as K to detonate. Dang! Blew off the whole bottom. But actually, I'm gonna see what secret. I probably should have gotten back before doing that. A little further back, at least. Oh, to change time between P/L to change the size. Dang, that's complicated. I can click way faster than that. What was that? Alright, so I'm probably... Oh, I just clicked my flashlight and I went small. How do I accidentally press all these buttons? That was the wrong... Alright, now I'm going to get the frick away! And press K. Lord! It Ah! It freaking obliterated the whole thing. Oh my. Let's see what that does. Okay, I thought I was far back enough, but I guess not. And it looks like it freaking disintegrated the thing. Yep, the whole thing's gone. That's crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna see how fast I could sink a boat with those. Alright, so I'm going to place one single C4 right there. And then I'm going to get in here. That almost killed me. And the boat's immediately sinking! That destroyed it. One freaking C4 destroyed it. One single C4 has already sunk it. Already freaking sunk it. Alright, let's see how many C4s it takes to absolutely demolish this one. I was about to fall to my death. Alright, let's put a C4 in the truck, and then let's go in here. Let's go in here. And light it up. Alright, let's see what this turns into. Absolutely nothing, okay. Okay, you're gonna play that game, huh? Now let's place one on the actual boat. Alright. Pretty good damage. Wait a minute. Oh wait, P plus L. Oh, let's go all the way to 100%, baby. Let's go. Now let's absolutely destroy this freaking place. Destroy! Time to get back. Like, really, really back. Whoa. That freaking obliterated the back of it, dude. Alright, here. How did that not kill me? I was right on top of it. Yeah, that C4 absolutely. Why is my screen so blurry? What in the freak? Oh man, let me just freaking land, bro. Why did that make me face all the way down? What the heck? Alright, let's go. Ah! Oh, I thought I was gonna take damage from it. Wait, actually, hold up. Let me see what I got in here. FNAF. Hold up. Oh, so that one spawns all of them. Chica, I gotta blow towards Chica. Stay away from me. I got a pipe bomb too. Yeah, that's what's up. How are y'all not damaged in the slightest? Die! Die, demons. Okay, I guess I just gotta throw him into the ocean. Or out of the universe. Yeah, that works too. Yeah, goodbye, boys. Where's Foxy? Hold on, where's Foxy? Does that actually spawn? Dang, there is no Foxy. What the frick? Grand Tear Auto. Alright, let's go back to the... I think the best one was these ones. Or like, no, the Spinosaurus in particular. That's the wrong one. I did not mean to do that one. Alright, so I'm gonna freeze you real quick, Spino. Don't get mad about this. But I need a tiny head start. So. Oh, frick, wait. There we go. That's the head start. Let's get out! Are you coming? Ah, yes, it's coming! Ah! You're already down? Already? All freaking ready. You're just gonna let me take this dub? You're just gonna let me take this dub right out your hands? You're just going to let me approach you and put this onto your face to destroy you? And just let me... You're just gonna allow me to cold blood? Just like that? You're gonna let me make it that easy for myself? Oh dang, them things are everywhere. I gotta be careful, bro. Oh no, I blew one up while right on top of it. Oh, okay, that didn't do it. I need another Spino that's not gonna freaking die from one single bullet. There we go, you look like a swell, good Spino. Ah! Get me the freak out of here. Tail shot, I think. Maybe I just shot a leaf, I don't know. Neck shot, pretty sure. This time I'm staying the freak away from that house. I don't care, I want to make this a challenge. Fin shot. Another fin shot. You're kidding me. You are fisting me. Ain't no way, bro, you're fisting me. Come on, man, you're fisting me right now, ain't you? You're fisting me. You did not just die that quickly and easily. You're fisting! Hey, buddy, I know what you're pulling, pal. I know what you're pulling. I know what you're doing. You're doing the freaking play dead thing that Raptor did in Fallen Kingdom, huh? Well, I ain't buying it and I'm gonna take advantage of it! Or it's just dead. Alright, I'll take either one. Actually, you know what? Yep, that's what I thought would happen. Look at all them little meaty bits. Oh my gosh. It's hilarious. Look at the foot. The foot nor the tail will survive. Nothing will survive. Yep. I killed it. With C4s. But who cares? It was already freaking on the floor. It was begging to die, as a matter of fact. It was. It was freaking. It was like, hey, kill me. Anyways, it has been 40 minutes of recording. I'd call that a pretty good video. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.